All right, here we go.
Go.
Soccer time.
Go get it, Adrinas.
Kids are practicing soccer, and they don't. This is their first practice ever, and today is their game day. So that goes to show how much preparation we have coming into this day.
Come on.
All right, babe.
Yep. Let's go, Devin.
Who are you?
I'm their coach.
You're their coach. Well, there you have it. They chose a volleyball player to be their coach. The sport that you have to use your hands the most, they chose her to coach the sport that you have to use your legs only.
Go for it. Hurry. Come on. Kick it in. There you go.
Good job.
Let's go, Devin.
Don't use your hands. Don't use your hands.
Don't touch it with your hand. Go
All right.
Go around, Bubba. Around that way. So you have to control.
So there you have it. Kids are playing soccer. This is Devin. That's my sister's son.
Good job.
That's Bubba, my sister's other son.
Come on, Devin. We gotta practice.
Sharon and Davy.
Scoot back.
And that's my daughter. That's Adrinas right there.
Bro, we're only gonna use one ball.
There's my wife.
We're gonna use one ball.
The coach. They made her coach because they couldn't find a coach. So,
Okay. Wait.
and here I am, the man, sweating the freaking storm over here because it's hot.
Devin, stand away. Bubba, you stand in here. Okay. So come this way, Darren. So when Darren is running, what are you guys doing?
Kicking.
No, you guys are running with him. Okay. Just in case somebody tries to come and take the ball from him, he can come and kick it to one of you guys, and then you guys take off with the ball. Okay. Okay. So let's go, Darren. Let's go. So keep up with it.
All right, there you go.
There you go.
Help each other out.
Take it.
Kick it.
There you go.
Yay! See, teamwork makes his dream work. All right, I'm gonna get back to helping my wife coach the kids. As you can see, there's only 3 of them that showed up to the game today, so this might be a forfeit, but
Darren, you'll be on the side.
don't know. And I shaved because,
I'm coming for you, and I'm coming for you.
I had to shave for my job. All right, y'all, peace.